time shift focus and talk about the E20 debate that has also made its way to the parliament amid growing discussion over the ethanol blended petrol and its impact on vehicles. The issue that was formally raised in the House, prompting a written response from the centre. Now, in his written reply to the Parliament, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has now acknowledged that the transition to E20 fuel does involve certain trade-offs, but also has outlined what the government now sees as its key benefits. However, there seems to be high political drama that is unfolding in the national capital ahead of the proposed E20 protest, where the centre has sought to allay the concerns over the policy, and the politics, however, continues to intensify on the ground. Political activist Tehseen Poonawalla has alleged that the Delhi police has placed him under house arrest, while the Aam Aadmi Party has also questioned the heavy deployment of security personnel ahead of the scheduled town hall event that is expected to take place. Now, over the pictures that have now been coming in, of course, when we speak on the politics, keeping that aside, but the study that was commissioned by the centre that found that E20 fuel provides better acceleration, improved ride quality and approximately 30% lower carbon emissions compared to E10 fuel. And this study that has also found that E20 fuel that provides a better acceleration and higher ethanol blends can also enable cleaner and more complete combustion. So now this is coming across as far as the claim and the counter claim. Of course, there has been a lot of politics that has now been taken on this issue. But let's get you a basic understanding of this study that was commissioned by the centre that found that E20 fuel provides better acceleration, there is improved ride quality and approximately 30% lower carbon emissions compared to E10. So let's, in the meantime, when it comes to the claims that have been made, P2023, the vehicles cannot run on E20. The government says no, E15 in use for over 3.5 years. And this is something which, E20, the ethanol blends will enable more cleaner and more complete combustion. Now, let's get you more on that as far as the claims that are now coming in, which the government has sought to clarify, saying that nearly 30 crore vehicles will be unusable. As far as another claim is concerned, which the government has said that there has been no verified proof of widespread engine damage in India, would have seen otherwise millions of breakdowns that would have been happening in multiple vehicles. Another claim that suggested the car makers have indicated that E20 is not desirable, but the government has clarified on that. In Toyota, itself saying that E20 has been launched after a lot of rigorous testing has taken place. There's another car maker, which is Maruti, saying that no E20 related corrosion in 2.84 crore vehicles that have been serviced so far. So this is the clarification that is coming in from the car makers themselves. Then another claim that suggested that older vehicles may be at risk as E20 may not be compatible with the making of the car, but the government says that there is still no proof of ethanol-induced any corrosion that may damage the vehicle. Then, of course, the question on mileage. The claim saying that the mileage will go down further, it will collapse. The government says that the efficiency actually depends on multiple factors, and E10 designed vehicles mileage has also come down by at least 3 to 5%. So this is now coming across as far as the claim and the clarification, but the politics around it, a video that has now been shared. Let's in the meantime connect with Somit. We are getting pictures. Tehseen Poonawalla, political activist, has also been claiming, then saying that as far as politics are surrounding this issue, there has been a lot of police deployment that has also been done. However, this is a claim there yet to be confirmed. But this seems to be what has now been witnessed so far. That is now coming in from the national capital.